Everyone, it is at the closing bell. Today is September 14th of 2020. I'm going to talk about a few of my highlights today with you guys. This video will probably be a minute, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, depending how long I go. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. SINT, Syntax Technologies, out of Colorado. I called this out this morning at 1.70. Today we've seen the traction to about 10%. We've actually saw it go up to as high as 1.95. If you guys have been following me on Twitter, you guys can see why I am loving this stock right now, because it's always good to catch a particular stock during momentum shifts. Okay, so we saw that over the last several days, you had a good momentum up from around the 1.3 range and going all the way up to about that range right here. And we're definitely seeing a breakout today and establishing a new trend. And it seems to me that right now is just circling around it went up to 1.97 today, and it is also settling in and establishing a new support on SINT. So if you guys are not in SINT, I highly recommend you check that out. Wait for the dip. You might be able to load up some in 1.8 possibly, if it even dips that low. What I also like is that you can see the MA8 and the MA21 has already crossed right here, and it is looking to do so again. So definitely check out SINT. All right, so let me put that away. Let me expand. Let's talk about NOVN real quick. NOVN as high as 20% today. I always like to look at the 30-minute chart. All right, and you guys can see how this one is accumulating right here in the 0.54. Now, some of the catalysts that happened today was that NOVN announced, well, number one, they gave out a new PowerPoint presentation on their website, and they're going into 2 different conferences this week. And there's a lot of rumors and speculations about, their with the connection with NoBio. So definitely keep NOVN Biotech on your radar. It is going to, I can't imagine this doesn't end this week around the 0.6 to the 0.7 range. All right. So with that being said, let's move on to the next one. This one I'm really digging a lot. If you guys have been following me on Twitter, I got into this last Thursday, I believe last Thursday, and the low 14s, and it's closed 15 the day after. It's been closing at 16, and now we see that right now it is at flowing around 17 range, and the high today was 17.79. Definitely expect some after hour movement with this. If you guys know about SPAQ, this is Spartan Energy. It is a blank check company. All right, it is going to be merging with Fisker Inc., and they filed their pre-14A form last Friday, so you guys can see some news on that. But I mean, just look at the beautiful uptrend that we have here. It is just a thing of beauty right now for me. So definitely check out SPAQ, SPAC Energy, Spartan Energy. All right, so I could just draw that here. Okay. All right, let's move on to another one that I am on right here. Let's talk about IDEX, Ideamonics. Okay, couldn't pronounce that. Sorry about that. IDEX, we saw a breakout to 1.9 today. Alf-Poor will be releasing numbers as soon as pre-market tomorrow. That's been confirmed by a screenshot that's been flown around, an email from investor relation from a credible source. So we've seen this bottom out in August, and this is on the up and up. So definitely keep IDEX on your watch list. Once those numbers come out, and it's very highly anticipated that these numbers come out, that's going to be very positive. We could see a very good swing into the 1.5 or even a 2 range. I do have $2 call options for 9/18 expiration with $2 strike. So I'm really looking forward to that. All right. Let us move on. I got so many screens here. PRTY, Party City. If you guys have not been following along, this has been one of the most stable stocks in the last couple of weeks, even with the dips in August. All right. So this has been kind of just trending right here in a 2.6, 2.7 range, and it is definitely accumulating in this range right now. So PRTY, if you guys been following me again on Twitter, you know that there's been a lot of insider action with this particular stock. Directors buying literally hundreds and thousands of dollars of shares at the 2.7, some at the 2.34 range, 2.65. I'm expecting this to swing into the fall, way past 3. So keep your eye on Party City. It's definitely a good one. All right, let's see what else we got here. I covered STINT. I covered NOVN. Covered that. Oh, a new one I got into today was IPOB. If you guys know about IPOB, it's social capital, run by Chamath. Okay, and that guy is there. There's going to be it's another blank check company, and they will be merging possibly in the very near future with Open Door. I entered into a position with IPOB in a 12.7 range, and it's already gone up to a high of, I believe, 13.20. Just by looking at the chart, once again, if you guys are new to trading stocks, you want to see a nice indicator, all right, on the chart, so that way you can plan your entries and your exits appropriately, all right. And right now I see this nice accumulation area. Anytime it dips below support, if you guys been following me again on Twitter, I'm going to use this range right here at the 11.94. That would be my master support, which I don't think we're going to dip down into because there's so much going on with this particular SPAC. All right. So with that being said, that's all I have for today. I thank you very much for watching. Please follow me on Twitter. I am John C_C. Please subscribe to this channel if you like these daily updates at the closing bell. I appreciate y'all.